Hello and welcome to another update video on gold. I am here on the 1 hour time frame. A few days ago I made a long-awaited gold update. A lot of you have asked for it for a long-term chart. Overall, my view hasn't changed about gold. I haven't called a top yet. Yeah, I think this move up will continue. An internal wave 4 might be underway now, but this might just be a corrective pullback within a larger uptrend that is still unfolding. If you have questions about the larger time frame, the bigger picture, I recommend that you take a closer look at the video that I made about gold just a few days ago. It should answer all your questions. So far, this is still playing out the bullish perspective for gold. We have not yet reached the top of the cycle. Remember, guys, fifth waves are often extended, and I still see the possibility of at least one more high in circle wave 5, which is the move to the upside here from the July low, where then we would complete potentially a major top. Another scenario that I'm considering, but again, that was explained in the larger time frame scenario, is that this fourth wave, larger degree, which presumably bottomed in July, would still unfold at some point. And I presented to you guys what the relevant support levels are for this larger degree wave 4 in that last video. But here in this video, I want to focus on the smaller time frame. Here, quick reminder, we still only have a 3-wave move down. You see how powerful that concept of 3 and 5-wave movements is and has been over the last few weeks. Because while this move to the upside is way overextended, that is what sometimes gold does in a larger degree fifth wave at the end of a larger cycle. So it's normal. But also, what we normally do when we identify a possible local top, we look at the structure, and if the structure is a 3-wave move down, the focus can remain on higher prices. So, just to give you an idea, just look at the last lows here. Just look at the last lows. This one, it was a 3-wave move down, which we also recognized as that. This here was also a 3-wave move down, and we also recognized it at that. And now this is another 3-wave move down, and we can identify it as a 3-wave pullback. I think we all agree that this does not look like a 5-wave move down, which means the door remains open for higher prices. Now, for me, in the very near term, that means there is a potential even that we get one more extension in circle wave 3, right? It is always the reaction to resistance that determines if we get a larger 3-wave move, or if this was just all of it. So it will be, next week will be quite important here for gold, because at the moment we are moving into the nearest resistance area, which is between $4,006 and $4,068. And we've already reached it, If we see further upside from here, and if we keep grinding and extend above 4,068, I mean, it would just be an extension of the third wave. That is just a continuation of the trend that's unfolding. What is possible is a broader wave 4. If we see any strong move down, then this would be the beginning of the C wave to the downside. But again, that would require a break below the low of the A wave, and then there is a good chance that we actually touch the $3,897 level, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement of this third wave up, of circle wave 3 to the upside, measured from the low that formed here in August all the way up to the top from the 8th of October. So that should give you the relevant levels for the coming week. It will be very important here to see how the market reacts. For now, we get that B wave bounce, which is completely normal. Could even go a little bit higher. So that's the update on gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates on stocks, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and so on, feel free to check out our stocks membership. I post the link into the comment section for you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.